Welcome back to CAD/CAM tutorial. Today we are going to design and assemble a simple chain and sprocket uh, parts. This project we already created long back before. We created only parts, but we forget to add the animation. Today we are going to add the animation and we will see how this works. Parts created in older version 2014, but the animation needs new version 2015 and above. So here, if you did the parts, you can skip those steps. You can directly do the animation. If you did not do anything, you can uh, start from the starts, and we will see how to do this animation. I hope you like it. First part of chain assembly, outer chain assembly. So first we will make this unit inch. Now we are going to create our first plane, is front plane sketch. Draw a vertical and horizontal lines. Select circle and draw two circles in one side. Now assign dimension. .156 and outer diameter 0.485. That's it. And the distance from midpoint 0.25 inch. Okay, select mirror entity and select both the circle and mirror about. Okay, now choose 3-point arc and draw one arc in between. Now select this both the points, make tangent relation. Okay, now select mirror entity and mirror this tangent. Okay, now choose trim entity and trim inside portion. Okay, now select extrude boss. Extrude up to 0.625 inch. Okay, now this is the main part. Choose fillet. Select 0.1 inch, 0.01 inch. Select this face and select backside face. Okay, now select this face, sketch, select this inside circle and convert entities. Now again choose circle and draw one circle and keep the diameter 0.312 mm, 2 inch. Okay, now select extruded boss, 0.312 inch. Okay, now we will mirror this component, so choose right plane, mirror and select this extrude boss. Okay, now we will create one plane, so select plane, select this face and select this outer face. So plane will be in mid portion. Okay, now select this plane, mirror about and select our first extrude body and fillet. Okay, now edit the material. We will assign the material AISI 304. Apply, close. This is our material. Now this is our outer chain part. Let's save this, save as a outer chain. So click save. It is now, I already saved this. Now let's do the next part. Part of chain assembly, inner chain. So let's start. First change our dimension inch. Choose front plane, sketch, draw vertical and horizontal lines and passing through origin. Choose circle and draw two circles, same as before. Zero 0.425, 156, 0.156, and the distance from here 0.25. Okay, now select mirror entity and select this both the circle, mirror about this line. Okay, now select 3-point arc and create a arc between these two lines. Exit. Now make relation tangent, this point also relation tangent. Okay, choose mirror, this select this line and select about the line. Okay, choose trim entity and delete inside parts, so it becomes one full part. Select extruded boss. 0.0625, this inch thickness we will keep. Okay, now select back surface, sketch and select this circle, click convert entities, select extruded boss and select 0. This is a bigger distance, 59312. Select reverse direction and keep direction to 0.02. Okay, now choose plane and create a plane. Select this face and this face, create a plane in between. Okay, now select this plane, mirror about and choose extrude boss. Okay, now see, top plane, select top plane, sketch, normal. Now we want to create some things are here. Draw a line from center point, select circle, draw one circle, exit. Now select line and connect from this point to up to here. Now exit. Choose trim entity, delete outer. Okay, now select dimension and keep the radius 0.125 inch and this distance 0.0338318. Okay, now select revolve cut, this axis selected. Okay, now see the inside face created. Choose right plane and mirror, select this rod plus this cutout. Okay, now select this plane and choose mirror and select this cutout. Okay, Again choose right plane, mirror, and select this cutout. See, this cutout we want to mirror right plane, or select this 3, mirror 3. This cutout no need, delete. Mirror 3 is enough. Okay, now see here. Now choose fillet 0.01 and select the outer ring, all the corners. Okay, now this is created. Now again choose fillet 0.01, select this face and this face. Okay, that's it. This is the second part of chain, inner chain. Hide this plane. Now save it as a inner chain. Okay, now let's do the next part, sprocket. Lecture we created chain. Now we are going to sketch sprocket for chain. First make unit inches. Now select front plane sketch. Now start. Draw 3 big circles. Okay. Now select these all circles and select construction geometry. Now assign diameter 4.465 mm, 4.196 inch, 4.098 inch. Choose line, draw 1 and 2 this end, exit. Now draw some circles from this point and assign the diameter 0.1585 into 2. Okay, select center line and draw one line from here to this circle, exit. Select circle and draw one circle and keep the diameter 0.2295 7688 into 2 inch. Okay, now select both the circles and make relation tangent. Okay, now choose trim entities, trim outer part, here also. Okay, now select mirror entity, select this part, mirror about this line. Okay, choose mirror entities and delete. Select OK. Now choose circular pattern, select this all 3 items and we want 26 number of parts. See, it will little overlap, no problem. 26 number equal spacing, select OK. Now select circle and draw one big circle in center point and make the diameter 1.5 inch. Okay, now select extruded boss, select this face and keep 0.284 inch. Okay, now see the body is created for sprocket. Now select right plane, sketch normal. Draw a center line. Select corner rectangle and draw from any one end. Assign the length 0.75 inch and distance from here, mid distance 1.5 inch and the bigger one also 2.25 inch. Okay. Now select revolve boss base according to this axis. Okay. Now see. Now select this face, sketch normal. Draw a center line. Select corner rectangle and draw from this circle. Exit. Select this circle and these two lines and mid lines and make relation symmetric. Now assign the dimension. The bottom dimension 3 by 8 inch and this vertical 3 by 16 inch. Okay. Now select extrude cut and choose through all. Now see. Now select this face, hole wizard, and we want to put some threaded hole, so choose straight tab, inch, hole tab, and this one select 3 by 8 into 16 and the length keep 0.7 inch to 8 inch. 75. Select position, click normal and select here, press escape and assign distance from here to this distance. Select 5 by 8 inch. Okay, and select origin point and this point make relation vertical. Okay. See the holes going to create. Select OK. Okay, now holes created. Now choose right plane, sketch, select normal. Now we want to create some geometry. Choose line, center line and draw one center line. Exit. Again choose one center line and draw one more line, vertical line. Exit. Now assign the distance between these two lines. And make relation 1 by 16 inch. Okay. Now select line and draw a line from here up to this line and exit. Select 3-point arc, connect from here to this point inside and make radius 0.5 inch. Now assign distance, select center line, now assign distance from bottom line to center line 1.985 inch and from top line 2.24 inch. See. Okay. Now choose mirror and select this all lines, mirror about this center line. Select OK. Now select revolve cut and choose line this line. See, select OK. Now assign color material, edit material and choose plain carbon steel. Apply. OK. Now see, our sprocket is ready. This is the sprocket. Now we will assemble this sprocket with our chain what we created in our class. One more thing, balance chamfer 1/16. Select this corner. OK. Documents, detailing, click here shaded cosmetic thread. OK. Now see the thread, you can see cosmetic thread. Now this is our third part sprocket. We want to create one mid plane in between these two faces. So we will do one thing, just go to plane, select this side face and back side face. Now you can see it here, a mid plane going to create in between these two faces. Select here OK. This plane is very useful during assembly. We will see how to use this during assembly. Hide it. Now save it as a sprocket. Now let's make the fourth part, path. Now here we will make the fourth part is path. Path for the chain rotation. So keep your dimension in inches. Front plane is sketch. Select here direct line. Draw a horizontal line. It must pass through origin. Then go back this point and it will automatically convert into arc. That's it. Again go back and it will convert in arc. Again go back and up to here. Select right, exit. Now make some relation, tangent. Choose center line. Draw a vertical center line. Make sure it is passes through the origin of this circle. The same center line in opposite direction, other side, exit. Smart dimension. Define the dimension. It is roughly calculated dimension. You can use as it is 8.874382 inches. Radius 2.098 inches. This one also 2.098 inches. Now let's define this gap, 0.4373028 inch. Let's check this side. By default OK. Now exit. This is the geometry separated, but we want to create a continuous geometry for the path rotation. So we will use spline command and we will make a continuous geometry. Let's see how to do it. Front plane sketch. Now select here, we want fit spline. You can select here command method and select fit. You can see here fit spline, or you can directly go to tools and here you will find spline tools. If you will go to spline tools, here you will find fit spline. Now select, press shift key and select all the geometry. See, all the geometry going to create. Tolerance is by default OK. Now see, it's one geometry. See, exit. Now save it as a path. One. Now we will use this path for the assembly. So let's start the assembly of sprocket and chain mechanism. Now here let's start the assembly of sprocket and chain mechanism. Select new assembly, OK. We will browse our first part, path. Open. Select here this pop-up plane visibility and click here view origin. OK. Close. Now select this origin point. OK. Now this path fixed with align with origin, so no need to align the right and top and front axis. Now it's time to bring our, or better to do make some relation. We want to create two axes. Select front plane axis, select this center point of this circle, and we want to create a one axis. Okay, again here select this point, axis and front plane. Now you can see the preview of axis, point and face plane. Okay, now here select one option, show axis. Now you can see this axis. Let's browse our parts. First bring sprocket. Okay, now here from here you can hide this origin. Okay, but we need some temporary axis, so select this view temporary axis. Okay, choose here mat, select this face and this axis, coincident relation. Okay, drag it. Now here select front plane, and we created one plane in sprocket, plane 1. See, it's going to fix in midpoint. Okay, coincident relation. Okay, that's it. Now we want to bring the second sprocket, so do one thing only, press Control key, select the part and drag it. It's difficult to now save this assembly first. Give any chain sprocket assembly, save. Now drag, drop. Now select relation. Sorry, we need to select mat, this axis and this axis, coincident relation. Okay, now front plane or this axis plane. See, okay, or you can select both the faces, it will be also enough. Okay, now hide this all temporary and permanent axis, hide this geometry also. This is the path. Now we see both the geometry rotating along in their axis, so we need to rotate both together. So how we will do it? We will create belt and chain relation. So go to assembly feature, belt and chain, select one circular axis. See, I selected this one and this one. You can see the preview, belt chain. Okay, see a belt chain created. Now rotate one, see another one also rotating. That's it. Select path 1, show belt chain, hide it. This is the our path. Now let's browse our other component, inner chain and outer chain. This is inner, this is outer. Now we will fix with the help of a unique command. There is one important command, chain component pattern. This command, note down this command, not available 2014 or below than that. You need 2015 or above version for this command. So let's see how we will do it. First let's select here path. So select this path 1 and you can see sketch 2. Now you can see the preview. This is the path. Don't do it here, we will see later. Select group 1. Select first this chain. Sorry, first we have to select this third option, connected linkage. Now select first chain, second select face. First this face and this face. Here two faces we selected. Now it is asking the mid plane path. So this is the inner chain. Inner chain we created one mid plane. Open inner chain and select one plane. See, this mid plane we selected. Now comes down. Select group, chain group 2. Select second group, or here select first face, second face, and now the times comes for plane. So select here outer chain, plane. Now you can see here dynamic, and you can select here fill path. If you choose fill path, there is one gap, so just avoid this. Make 31 numbers. Okay, now hide this path. Now try to rotate. See, it's rotating a very nice way. Now we will create one relation. Select outer chain. Select the face of outer chain. We will make some gear ratio. Select here mat, mechanical mat, gear, and select this corner edge. This is the ratio. We will not change the ratio. We will keep as it is. Select reverse. I think you got it. Select OK. OK. Now let's try to rotate. See, it is rotating. So this is the assembly of gear and sprocket ratio. Now it's time to make the animation for this. Just take the proper position of this chain. I'll make little adjust this. Now save this assembly. Save all. Rebuild and save. Now right click, choose motion manager, go to motion manager, up this window. Now first select here basic motion. Motion study, keyframe 50 frame per second. 8, I prefer load geometry accuracy 8, so 80%. Okay. Now drag this up to 12 second, or any is up to you. Choose here motor. Select this face for the rotation of motor. Keep 10 revolution per minute. Select OK. Now click calculate. Now it is slowly going to calculate. It may take time, but you have to wait it. Then we will see. Now this is saved. Let's play. Select here play button and see, this is the our chain and sprocket mechanism. The chain rotating along with sprocket. Just drop down and you will see the clear view. It is still not perfect, but it still need rectification. But this is just simply showing the relation between chain and sprocket, and we will see how to use the particular command to make this relation and make this animation. I hope you like it. Just click save and choose here destination, AVI file, and image size you can select here or select from here also, 9 by 16 inch. Frame, it's up to you. I always prefer 50 frame per second. Save. Uncheck this keyframe. Okay, now it is again going to calculate and it will save automatically in your particular destination. I hope you like it. Don't forget to share and like our videos and subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. This is the demand for many peoples. I am not able to do it because I had old version. So remember that you need 2015 and above version for this animation. Thanks for watching.